So, it's the day of Adam LZ's open house. Getting the blue car pulled out so that I can get it washed. My buddy Tim is going to come over with his car. Probably, I think, just vacuum his car. I don't think he's going to be able to get it in the driveway, but we'll find out. So, yeah, I'll be taking the blue car today. Not the sick JZ open hood exit white Supra. Still a little bummed, but you know, it is what it is. It's running and it's not hurt, so that's the main thing. So gonna go ahead and pull this out, get it washed, and then we'll head out. On our way to the open house. I'm just rolling with Tim down the highway right now. Well, we should be there in 15 minutes. No, hopefully less than that, to meet up with Christian. Tim's out here breaking transmissions. Christian's out here blowing out my eardrums. We're gonna be, bruh, oh my god. We're gonna be out here in line. Oh, look at this Lexus. Yee. We're gonna be in line for a hot minute. Dude.
That's a cool car. The C circuit. That kit fits so nice on the car.
Dude, it's so nice.
It's the four-door game. I was joking. I kind of want a four-door. Oh.
Nah, dude, it's straight car. It's okay.
This went from clap to like a fully built car in like a week.
Yeah, it's pretty rowdy. True.
Yeah, because I grew up with that.
Shout out on the...
Yeah, no one's parking back here. This is nice.
Yeah, exactly. Nice and shaded area.
Awful. Everyone's two-stepping. They're running past me. I'm about to hit someone.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I don't really know what's going on yet, but
At least that fitment is tight. This is perfect.
yeah, and it's just the audio. It's like
The internet, dude.
Oh boy. Ground.
Oh, you can't do that. Sorry,
Dude,
messed
you
up
can't
your
do that.
video.
I don't
Sorry.
care, dude. No, dude. What is it doing?
It's like when you got a bag of stuff. Am I wrong?
This is what it's about. Not just the car shows, but like mobbing with the boys and stuff, and everybody driving together. Hopefully you can actually see this. Maybe not. At Lazy Moon. Dang. On our way to O-Town Customs. Tim's gonna drop off the E36 and then we'll head home. But I'm following Nova. Look at the sunset. Oh, sheesh. The car is so cool.
That doesn't make sense.